Welcome everyone back with another video investing for fours. So today I'm going to go over my IRA account. You can see I got some good quality blue chips in here that I need to really focus on, and that actually been performing very well. I'm actually kind of disappointed in myself. Actually been kind of neglecting this account and been focused on the individual account, but I got some pretty good powerhouses in this account. I ain't got too many high risk plays in this one like I do in my individual, because this is more realistically for some good retirement and growth. That's what I'm kind of focusing on this portfolio. And let's just take a look at the week, how they've been doing. It's been down 0.87%. Past month been up over 3%. Past 3 months been up over 13%. This has actually been performing better than my individual account. The year to date up over 20%. The past year up over 23%, and all time been up over 38%. So, and I started this back in, let's see, looks like around May of last year. So, and I didn't really take it serious from that point. In the beginning, I was just happy that Robinhood had the traditional IRA, and I just wanted to open one up in Robinhood and start an IRA in Robinhood. So this is where I'm at with this account. I really need to start really focusing on adding more, and I'm actually might start spreading some more money out through the accounts instead of just focusing on the individual account. Trying to chase these high risk plays, but let's go over and see what I'm holding in here. And you can see I'm holding ticker symbol Google, and you see I don't even have a full share. I used to a long time ago, but now you just look at the performance on this thing here. It's portfolio has been up over 33%, and I only have a partial share of Google. Let's move on. Ticker symbol Amazon, same deal, partial share. Total return not really going up too much, but 0.23%. So this will probably be a great buying opportunity for Amazon to start kind of buying in more. You see an average cost I got in around $2.13. So still kind of holding steady around where I bought in at. So I can probably start loading up on ticker symbol Amazon, AMZN. So let's move on and look and see what else we got going in this portfolio. We also have ticker symbol META, Meta Platforms. That's up trading around $716. And same deal, partial share, and it's Uphold total returner over 18%. So my dollar has rose, but like I said, I need to be putting more into this account, and my money will actually grow. Let's look at one of my good performers in here, and that's ticker symbol MO, Altria. That's trading around $65 even, and you can see this been up 37% in this portfolio. And I only have a little bit over one share in this account here, and market value $81.93. Let's move over waste management. This would be a great long term addition to the portfolio, and the reason why I added it because I do plan on getting one full share, and because I believe that trash and waste is not going nowhere, and this is definitely here to stay. So that's why I'll be adding this one for growth and long term. Not financial advice. This is just my opinion, and this things I'm just adding in my IRA account and what I'm going to be buying. And I got ticker symbol MDV, Automotive Industrial Inc. That's trading on $14.30. And I'll still only have, like I said, very low, a little bit over one share. And this one actually been down 1.42%. I got ticker symbol VOO in this account. Like you see in my individual account, I have ticker symbol QQQ. But this account, I have ticker symbol VOO. And I still only have a partial share. And it's been up over 12%. It's almost the same exactly as QQQ. They even trading around the same price too. Both are up over $600. Let's move on. Ticker symbol UTWO. This is the RBB Fund Inc. U.S. Treasury 2-year note ETF. And you see I still only have a partial share, and it's been kind of a little bit over 1%. So like I said, this is for long-term growth. So I do not plan on selling none of these unless something just I hear some bad news. But these are all standing in this IRA account for long-term growth. Ticker symbol O, same deal. Partial share, reality income. You see, a market like $6. When it's been up over 11%. Let's take a look at Walmart. I have ticker symbol WMT. The same. I still only have a partial share of this. I need really, and I think these are still good prices too. This is only trading around $107.79. This is still great buying opportunity for Walmart. You know, Walmart's definitely not going nowhere. Up over 17%. So I'm in this one for the long term. This one's not going nowhere. I'm not planning on ever selling. Ticker symbol NVDA, and I do have a little bit what I expected in NVIDIA. I have a little bit over 2 shares, market value $413. It's been up over 48%. So this one has been performing very, very well in this account. So I'm surprised I haven't been adding any more. I really need to, because this is definitely not going anywhere, especially with dealing with AI in these computer chips. And I got ticker symbol PEY, Invesco High Yield Equity Dividend Achievers ETF, and I have a little bit over 2 shares, and it's been up over 2.53%. Ticker symbol TRML, and I held this one for a long time, several times, and that's Tourmaline Bio. And believe it or not, I had this one share, and I had this at $16. And look, it went over 192%, and I only have over 1 share. Wow, this thing was going insane. Imagine if I would have bought more shares, but now the analysts saying it's not a great buy, and they're just saying it's a great hold opportunity. So we'll see how this one does. Maybe it'll do good in the future, but I'm just kind of keeping my eye on this one, because the chart is not looking all that great, but we'll see how this one does. Ticker symbol AVGO. I got a Broadcom. You know, this is actually a great company. Like I said, this is strictly for long-term growth. I'm not really focused on too many dividends in this portfolio. A little bit here. It's got a little bit of dividends here, but it's mainly for some good quality stocks and some good quality ETFs for some good growth. And that's what this portfolio is doing, is growing. We got ticker symbol BITS, and this is a Global X Funds, Global X Blockchain and Bitcoin Strategy ETF. Let's trade around $106.55. Total return being up over 56%. And of course, yeah, got to have Apple. I have a partial share too as well. You know, I believe everybody should have Apple in their portfolio, and I do as well. And everybody knows about Apple, and I do not ever plan on selling, and I'm going to keep buying and adding as well. Ticker symbol MO, Micron Technology. I think this is a great company. You see, they've been up over 42%. And like I said, these are some great companies in this portfolio. You know, I get a lot of shade on my other individual account about it's risky and this is gambling, but you know, I do look at good quality stocks and the ETFs too as well. So, and then you're looking at it in the IRA account. Ticker symbol PFF, trading around $31.46. I still only have a partial share of this company too as well. Ticker symbol AGNC, AGC Investment. I started early and I added this one. I still only have a partial share of this company, and it's been up over 5%. But we'll just see how this one does. I think this one will perform well, but I don't plan on selling it, and I just want to keep building out this position here and see how it will perform. Serve Robotics, ticker symbol SERV. It's trading on $14.59. You see them up over 44%. I have almost 8 shares of this company here. I'm trying to get a little bit into robotics. The reason why I got into this company is by looking at what NVIDIA was investing into. So this is the reason why I had got into Serve Robotics. So, and I don't really plan on selling this one for a long term. Ticker symbol QQQY. Let's trade around $25 even. Let me see, I only have roughly about 4 shares. I bought it kind of high at $30.41, down 17%. This one's a weekly paying dividend. I've been having this for a long time, and it's now actually paying around 83 cents per week. Netflix, you gotta have a little exposure to Netflix. I only have a partial share of Netflix, but everybody knows Netflix, and it's not. I'm not planning on ever selling the Netflix. We'll hold this one for the long term too as well. Ticker symbol SCHD. I know a lot of people know about this one. The Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF trading around $26.78. They bought in kind of high at $28. Have now over 4 shares, down 5%. That's a quarterly planned dividend. And I do not plan on selling this one. This is strictly for long-term growth. Nike, you gotta have a little Nike. Nike's definitely ain't going nowhere. Got the Nike shoes, Jordans. That's not going. Everybody buys the Nikes. They still killing the game. So, I like this company, and I will plan on buying more. At least to get the one share. I'm gonna focus on getting the one share on all these companies. That'll be my new goal to start the new year off. Is try to get at least one share of every stock and ETF in this individual IRA account. Celsius, ticker symbol CELH. That's Celsius, this energy drink company, too, as well. You see this over 129%. Wow, I didn't even know that it was even performing like that in this account. But hey, I should be really focusing more. Maybe I need to be moving more of my money over into this individual account. Into this IRA account instead of this individual account for a little while, maybe to finish out the year and try to add more and see how this will perform. I got to take some R&R, Retech Robotics. And you see that's, I got a little bit over, almost 2 shares, and it's went up over 14%. It's almost the same as Serve Robotics. It's still in the robotics technology, so I will be planning adding more. It's at a great price point for me, so I think it's a big price to buy more and I start adding more shares. Took some SCHG, same as almost the same as SCHD. Charles U.S. Large Cap Growth ETF, $31.96, and I only have a partial share of this company too as well. Thermo Fisher, I got a partial share, and the reason why I got this company because I actually worked for them back in the day, so why not? Let me get a piece of the action, a piece of the company. So they frustrated and pissed me off so bad. So now I want to be part owners of Thermo Fisher. This is a personal agenda for me. This is why I'm going to be buying and adding more for this company here. Ticker symbol YMAX. Really don't get to talk about this too much. I actually hold this one in another portfolio. It's a weekly player. It hasn't been performing too well in this account as well. It's down 16%. But I think I might close out of this one since I got it in my individual account and see where I can put these funds into something else in this IRA account. Of course, I got Costco's. Everybody know about Costco's. I'm not planning on going anywhere, but I'm actually holding this one for the long term as well. GameStop. I can't believe I even have this still in this portfolio, but it's over 5%. And I have a partial share of this company too as well. But we'll see how this one does. I'll just keep buying, and this is like a risky gamble play in this IRA account, but we'll see how this one perform for the long term. Main Street Capital, also a partial share. This one trading around $58.14. I like this company. Definitely long term hold for this IRA account. Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN. Definitely a great play. I think this one's got a lot of potential. So I will be continue to add more and buy for long-term growth. And believe it or not, at least last on the list, SPYI, NEO's S&P 500 High Income ETF. This is a weekly pair. I just want to add this one for exposure to kind of get this some good weekly consistent dividends paying out weekly. I might even sell my YMAX in this IRA account to add more to the SPYI or QQQY just to see how I perform. But that's a look at my IRA account. I know I ain't talked about this one in a while. There's a few things I need to work on and change with this account and start adding more and really start building this one out because this one's actually been performing very well. So comment down below. Let me know what you think about this account. Am I on the right path with this account? Any things that in particular I should definitely look out for long-term growth for this account. Please let me know and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.